for money anymore, guys. And no, it's not because I retired. I don't think I'll ever do that. And it's definitely not because I got lucky. It's because I built something that pays me whether I show up or not. My name's Robbie Krager, I'm the Flip Flop Flipper, and I've done over 3,000 real estate deals over the last 26 years. The last 9 of those years I've been on the island of Puerto Rico. And if you're working a job right now, trading your time for money, I'm gonna show you exactly why that keeps you stuck and exactly how you can break out of it. Because here's the truth, guys. Most people work their entire lives and never actually get free. And real quick, before I keep going, I was just told by Don that over 80% of you watch this channel regularly, but you don't subscribe.
80%!
So if you're getting value out of what I say here, hit the subscribe button. It costs you nothing, but it means the world to us. And after you hit the like button, share this with that one person that you know that's still stuck on the hamster wheel. This small action costs you nothing, and it tells YouTube to keep pushing this video out to the people that need to hear it. And by the way, the link to our free community, it's pinned in the description below. All right, let's get into it. Most people live in a system that looks like this. You work, you get paid, you pay your bills, and then you repeat. And if you stop working, the money stops. And guys, that's not income, it's dependency. That's working for the man. You don't own your time, you don't even own your income. And you sure as hell don't own your own freedom. You're on that hamster wheel that your parents were on and their parents before them. And unless somebody shows you the way out, you're gonna die on that hamster wheel. And I'm not saying that to scare you. I'm saying it because I lived it as well for a long time. The goal is not to make more money. The goal is to stop trading your time to make more money. That shift changes everything. Because when your time and your income are welded together, look, it doesn't matter how big your paycheck gets. You're still trading hours for dollars. And hours, time, that's the one thing that you can't print more of. That's the one currency that always goes up in value. Look, it doesn't matter if you're making $40,000 a year trading your time for money or making $400,000 a year and a great job that you love. You're trapped, you're on that hamster wheel. And neither of you are getting off of it until you get some assets that start to work for you and replace you needing to trade your time for money. And guys, that right there, that's when everything changed for me. Today, right now, I've got about 35 houses that are rented out in the state of Florida. They bring in about $45,000 or $50,000 a month. And I've got another 80 or so long-term rental doors on the island of Puerto Rico, bringing in another $75,000 or $80,000 a month. And then we've got a short-term rental portfolio too, about 70 or 75 doors, depending on what we've just bought or sold. And that brings in another $150,000 or so per month. Guys, all 3 of those business models pay for my life. My properties, my assets, they pay for everything I do in this world. And it doesn't matter if I go out and do another deal today or not. Of course I will, because I'm addicted. But it doesn't matter. If I want to stop now, I can. And it's been like that for me for a long time. And that's what I mean when I say I don't work for money anymore. Money works for me. Everything that I just laid out, it started out as one deal. That deal was ugly. It was complicated. It was somebody else's problem. And then I did the next one, and then I did 2 more, and I've done that for 26 years. And look, I'm not telling you these numbers to flex. I'm telling you so that you'll actually know what's on the other side of this shift. And remember, the link to our free community is right there in the description. And that's where we break down deals at every level, from the guy doing his first deal to the guy who's ready to scale to do 15 or 20 at a time. Hey, I'll see you there. It's free. All right, now let's move on. Now here's where people get things twisted. This isn't passive, and it didn't happen overnight. And this didn't happen because I bought one rental property and then sat back and relaxed on the beach. And if you think buying one house is going to set you free, that freedom's a long way off. That guy on YouTube selling you the 1 door to freedom, that's selling you a dream, a fantasy, not reality. 1 door, that's a cute little side income, but that's not a life, and it won't get you out of the rat race or off the hamster wheel. Sure as hell not going to get you to where you don't have to work for the man anymore. Now 200 doors, that's a life. And the path from 1 door to 200 doors, it's not what anybody else is telling you. Because the path doesn't sell a course, and neither do I. This is what actually got me here. It was something completely different. 3 things, the whole formula. Number 1, I did not chase property. I built deal flow. And you want to build deal flow as well. You need to be someone that deals come to, not someone who's driving around chasing them every day all week. 2, I haven't tried to do everything myself. I built a team. We're talking about contractors, lawyers, lenders, wholesalers. Guys, people on my team, they'll pick up at 9 p.m. on Tuesday when something's just broken on one of my properties. And it's not going to be me. Number 3, I did not stay stuck in one place, and this is huge. I didn't stay stuck in one market. I expanded into multiple markets, and I'm about to do it again. And here's my line on that. If you're investing in your own backyard in just one city, that's dangerous. Florida was my market for years and years. It got competitive. My margins, they got squeezed. At one point, my dental hygienist was going to the foreclosure sale and buying real estate. I knew I had to get out of that market. And that's when I pivoted to Puerto Rico about 9 years ago. And this is before Puerto Rico was on anybody's radar. And this is before all the gurus on YouTube were selling you Act 60. When I came to the island, it wasn't even called Act 60. It was called something else, and I'd never even heard of it. And when I got here, I learned something very important. This is Relationship Island, and you can't Zoom meeting your way into this market because most people are unwilling to show up. But the returns for those of us that do show up are way bigger. And listen, if this is landing for you, do me a quick favor. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and again, join our free community. The link's in the description. Now here's the part that a lot of people miss. Most people watching right now are thinking, and it makes me laugh, yeah, Robert, but you had money. You must have been born with a silver spoon in your mouth. And guys, I smile because I wish it was that easy, but I didn't. I wasn't born with a silver spoon in my mouth. And let me tell you the truth. When I started out, I had no money. I had bad credit. I just lost my job, and I didn't even have a good plan. I saw a guy named Carlton Sheets on the late night TV at like 3 in the morning telling people that they could buy real estate with no money out of their pocket, and he was selling some kind of system. Well, it was enough for me to see the testimonials of the people who said, hey, thank you, Carlton. I bought my first house with no money. And I was young enough and dumb enough to believe them. So I took action. I jumped in with both feet. I didn't buy his course, although I wish I had. I just went for it. And my first deal, well, it was a bit of a disaster, and it didn't make me a master, but it did make me a real estate investor. And it did prove to me that I was able to find a property, get the funding from a hard money lender, put together a team that helped me fund the rest of it, and do all of the work. And that's the difference that nobody wants to tell you. The shift isn't about skill. The shift isn't about skill. The shift is about identity. It's about what happens when you take action. Who does it make you? And that day, that beautiful day that you close your first deal, you stop being somebody who's talking about it or thinking about becoming a real estate investor, and you become somebody who is actually a real estate investor. So I found a deal. I found a lender. I even put together a team. And when we closed on that first deal, it gave me momentum. And momentum is everything. So look, freedom's not doing nothing. And freedom's not sitting on a beach with a cocktail in your hand. Freedom's knowing that your life is covered. And whether you get up and go to work today or not, you've got options. Freedom is the ability to say yes to your kid's field trip on a Tuesday morning without asking anybody. It's about being able to say no to deals that don't fit because you just don't need it. And that's what we're building here. And that's what generational wealth actually means. It's not the boat, it's not the watches. It means that your kids and your grandkids, they live different lives because of something that you did. Because you're the one who decided to break the cycle. And if you're watching this right now thinking, I want that for my family too, that's the right feeling. That's what we're going for. Click the community link pinned in the description below and see what other people that are thinking just like you are actually doing right now. Guys, it's free. There's no excuse to not at least come and look. And you're closer than you think. You're not stuck because you don't have money. You're stuck because you haven't taken action. And you haven't put yourself around other people who are doing deals. You're thinking about it. You're reading about it. You're even watching a video about it. And you're telling yourself that that counts as progress. It doesn't. And I'm going to tell you something I've said on this channel over and over. If you were in a room with the 5 biggest real estate investors on the island of Puerto Rico right now, you would become the 6th. Not because they'd teach you, but it's because you're going to become the average of the 5 people that you spend the most time with. And that's how business works. And until you put yourself in a room like this, nothing will change for you. 1 year from now, you're gonna be in the same spot, watching another YouTube video. You're gonna have the same job, the same problems, probably even the same bank account. And you're gonna have that same feeling when you wake up on a Monday morning. And I don't want that for you. So if you're serious about getting out of that cycle, that broken system, and not just watching another YouTube video, and not just thinking about it, then take action. Click on the link to the free community. It's in the description. And at least that's a start. You'll be around people who are doing deals every single week. Guys, you'll see real numbers, real properties, with real operators, People actually partnering together and doing stuff. Real estate investing. And that's where it'll start to become real for you. And one last thing, if this video hit for you, hit subscribe before you click away. Now go out there, make a lot of money, do a whole bunch of good, and have a lot of fun. And God bless. I'll see you on the next one.